If you're like me, you're tired of views like this. It's just one of the many reasons my family decided to get the drop on our water management situation.
It's been leaking down here.
Now we never have any questions about our water use or any surprise bills. We can monitor it all right from the app. Nothing is more important to your family and home's health than your water. That's why the Drop Water Management System makes sure your water is always working for you.
Yes!
American families waste over 900 billion gallons of water every year, which is both bad for the environment and super expensive. 5 more minutes, buddy. And try not to splash too much on the floor. Drop's got us covered. Even if something overflows or a pipe breaks, Drop's leak sensors can detect moisture and shut off the water automatically. The best part? The Drop Water Management System is completely integrated. Here's how it works. It all starts with the Hub, which is a smart device that communicates directly with all parts of your home water system. Water pumps, flow meters, valves, and any water treatment devices in your home. The Hub keeps you in the loop through the Drop app, so you can control your water system from your smartphone or tablet from anywhere in the world, at any time. If a problem should arise, it alerts you and shuts down the water supply to prevent costly water waste and damage. It also monitors water flow and pressure to enable quick detection of slow leaks as well as bursts. Plus, it's easy to install.
And if that knucklehead son-in-law of mine managed to install it all by himself, you won't have any problems, believe me.
I'm finally gonna beat the ball. Hey, where's our Wi-Fi?
And because it's on its own local area network, Drop even works when the Wi-Fi is down.
Mom! Earl's using our hose again!
Come on!
I love Drop. Now that we have a fully integrated water management system that's always being updated, we're able to rest assured that when it comes to our water, we're making every drop count.